Hi guys, it's Coily Diaries. I am back with another video and today we are moisturizing my hair with glycerin. Yes. And we're gonna find out how long my hair is gonna stay moisturized for. So we're doing a bit of an experiment, if you may, and if you're interested in seeing how long my hair will stay moisturized for, once I moisturize it with glycerin, then keep watching. And of course, if you're new to my channel, you are most welcome. Be sure to subscribe if you enjoy this kind of videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are most welcome. Thank you for continuing to watch my videos. Let's get into it. So I've done a detailed video about glycerin, what it is, the benefits of it, how you can use it, etc. So I'll put a link above to that video. In this video, I won't go into detail about what glycerin is, etc. But what you will need for the moisturizing, if you want to try this at home, is just a little bit of water, warm water if you can, if you're low porosity, of course. I am going to be using pure vegetable glycerin. You will also need a leave-in conditioner of your choice. I'm going to be using this one from Lass, and of course I will also be sealing my hair with castor oil because I love castor oil, you guys know. These are pretty cool just to separate the hair as I moisturize it. If you're doing this at home, just go 1 part glycerin and 5 parts water. I'm just gonna drizzle some glycerin here, just a tiny little bit, because there's only a little bit of water in this. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my hair. To be honest, ever since I started using glycerin, this is not the first time I'm using it, but ever since I started using it, like, I can actually say my hair is still moisturized even as I am moisturizing it. Hello. So yeah, I haven't moisturized my hair for 4 days now, maybe 5 days. So my aim is to sort of get this mixture all over the hair, and you don't want to forget the ends. And the reason that I am just spraying or spritzing everywhere instead of going one by one is for convenience. I'm lazy. And also, glycerin actually keeps your hair hydrated for longer, so it won't be dry by the time I get to the last piece of hair, if you know what I mean. So do comment below if you use glycerin in your regimen. You can see my hair is starting to shrink already. It's quite hydrating. The water anyway is causing the shrinkage, but the glycerin maintains that water in the hair, which I find quite interesting. And if it's humid, that is like a remedy for moisture for days. But I want to see how long the glycerin will keep the moisture in for. You can see that the water and the glycerin is weighing my hair down. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, the shrinkage is coming and the hair is well hydrated. Okay, that's enough. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my leave-in. I'm also going to apply this everywhere because I'm lazy. By the way, dealing with your hair as a whole, especially if you've got 4C, 4B hair, is just hectic. If you can do things in sections, do things in sections. I like to use sections. And I'm gonna recycle my parts. As you can see, my hair was in twists, so I'm just gonna use those same parts to go ahead and moisturize my hair. No big deal. So next I'm gonna go in with the castor oil. This one is a favorite of mine as well. It's the consistency of honey. And I love it. I love it. There we go. My hair really drinks this stuff up. What is your favorite sealant? Let me know in the comment section below. If you really want to infuse moisture in your hair, I've done videos about that, but working the product in is key. You can put a little plastic cup over just to allow the moisture to go in deeper with heat. But yeah, this is just what I'm doing today. On any given day, I just do it twist by twist, but because my hair is out on this particular day, I'm just gonna do it as a whole. But in my routine, I do it twist by twist because it's easier and it doesn't overwhelm me. This is a little bit overwhelming if you ask me. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and now start working all of that moisture in and then retwisting. Okay, so no combs involved, but working all of those 3 products in. If you have the time and the patience, you can go product by product, piece by piece. I don't have that patience. I am definitely not that patient. Okay, so that one's done. I'm just gonna twist that up. So here we are, all finished. I'll just turn around so you guys can see. And what I'm gonna do is now put my hair into a braid. And I am braiding my hair because I have discovered or have noticed that I am able to preserve my moisture a little bit better if my hair is braided. Start again. I'm not great at braiding, but you know, with natural hair, you can get away with so much. And braiding is one of them. Like, I guess this is like a cornrow, so to speak, not really a braid, but you get my drift. Keep my hair like this for the longest time, and I'm gonna let you know how long my hair stays moisturized for. every couple of days I'll sort of unravel it and feel it to see if it's still moisturized and it's soft and all of that. But I won't do it every day. I'll do it like every couple of days or even 3 days, because last time I checked, I think I was able to go for a week without needing to re-moisturize with glycerin. So yeah, it's possible I can go longer, but I'll come back here and let you guys know. So it's day 3 and I'm here to just show you guys how my hair is doing. I pretty much slept in a silk satin scarf every night, so everything's lying flat. My hair still feels moisturized. I don't know if you can tell, but everything is intact. I still actually have quite a bit of product sitting on my hair. I'm reluctant to unravel this piece or this part, but I guess for the sake of you guys, I'm just gonna quickly show you just the bottom bit. I'm not gonna unravel all the way to the top, but I'll just show you the lower part of the hair so you can see how moisturized my hair still is. It's still very, very soft. It actually still feels almost damp, which is crazy. But you guys probably know that I personally think that braids preserve moisture better, for me anyway. What do you guys think? At the moment it's been raining and it's, yeah, on and off, hot, cold. I live in Alice Springs, Australia, if you are interested to find out, but it's pretty much a desert. It's mostly hot and dry. I will see you guys maybe in a week. I don't think a daily review is necessary. I think it's safe for me to say that my hair will stay moisturized for, you know, at least 5 days in a row. So yeah, I'll see you then. Hi everyone, so it's been a week since I last moisturized my hair, and I'm here to show you guys how my hair is doing. What's coming up? Definitely see that the hair is much drier. There's a lot more frizz that you can see as well. So I'm just gonna unravel this whole section so you guys can see. Believe it or not, and I say believe it or not, my hair still feels hydrated and moisturized. I don't know if you can tell, actually. It kind of has this shine to it that I actually don't normally get. Just unravel this one so you can actually see the hair loose. So that's what my hair is looking like. It still feels hydrated and soft and moisturized. So it still looks hydrated and moisturized a week since I moisturized it, which is just, to me, that's like so crazy. I think the product buildup is what I feel is much less than before. So I'm just showing you this section. My finger detangled on the go, guys, so pardon me. So a week after I first moisturized my hair, and my hair still feels and looks, and I believe is moisturized still. No product, no spritzing anywhere, you know, day 4, day 5, guys. This is exciting. I'm so excited to see how my hair will be feeling in the next couple of days. I believe the combination of the glycerin, the leave-in conditioner, the castor oil, and the weather is really on my side. Comment below, let me know how you think my hair is doing. But yeah, this is it for a whole week, 7 days since I last moisturized. Hey y'all, so it's actually day 14, guys. 2 weeks since I last moisturized my hair. Unfortunately, I don't know if you can tell, but I have been unwell, And in as much as I wanted to film, you know, every day or every couple of days at least for you guys, I have not been able to. Like, the whole past 7 days was really difficult for me. However, here we are, and it's day 14. It's 2 weeks. I had to come and do this one because, I mean, it couldn't be that my hair is still moisturized on 14. Or could it? Anywho, I'm just unraveling my hair at the moment, and believe it or not, guys, the hair is actually still moisturized. Can you believe it? You know, for the longest time, we have thought as naturals, we have to spritz our hair every day and every other day, etc., to keep it moisturized. But there are ways, I guess, that can help us to retain more moisture and keep our hair moisturized for longer. Of course, having humid weather, or, you know, living in a place of high humidity really does help when it comes to glycerin. However, there's a few things here that are actually contributing to my hair's long-lasting moisture. The first one is obviously the glycerin, the humectant, that's attracting moisture to the hair. Second, as I said already, the weather is in my favor. It's humid, so my hair is loving that because the glycerin has got moisture to, you know, pick from and put into the hair. The next one is the leave-in conditioner that I used. It's high in glycerin as well, and castor oil is an amazing sealant for particularly kinky types of hair. I would highly, 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 highly recommend it. And I don't know if you noticed, but putting your hair in braids or in some kind of tucked up, you know, style really helps to preserve the moisture even further. So I would really encourage you to try these tips or try these things if you are not into moisturizing yourself, or not yourself, if you are not into moisturizing your hair on the regular. This might actually work for you. Like, I can actually go for 2 weeks without moisturizing my hair. I'm not gonna take it any further than this because, you know, I don't want to push it. And this year I am on a moisture plus challenge, so I would hate for my hair to get dry. So no, I will not be going further to see if my hair will stay moisturized for longer than 2 weeks. The product buildup has definitely diminished, but the hair is still very soft, you know, still very malleable and, you know, moisturized pretty much, honestly. So it's super exciting. And yeah, I guess this goes to show that there are things that we can do to help us retain moisture for longer in our hair. You don't have to spritz every day, girl. Okay, another thing that I just have to mention is that when moisturizing your hair, I've discovered that for me, I need to be generous with my products. I go really generously with the spritz, not to wet the hair, just to dampen it. I'm pretty generous with the leave-in conditioner and also with the sealant. So I put a ton of castor oil in my hair. So it looks like the amount of product that you use, you know, will determine how long your hair also stays moisturized for. Because, I mean, if your product rubs onto your bonnets or whatever, evaporates, you know, your hair gets drier quicker. You know, I don't know if that makes sense, but use enough products if you want your moisturized hair to last. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you can try glycerin out, see if it works within your regimen, and obviously comment below if you have tried it and it just didn't work for you. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. I'll just go ahead and re-moisturize my hair, put it back up in the braids, and the journey continues.